Take a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Allow your body to sink into a totally relaxed state and just hear my voice. Let your mind relax together with your body. Just follow my voice. Take a deep breath in and out. Take another deep breath in and out. And the third breath in and out. As you go deeper into the relaxation, any external noise and sounds will only help you to connect with your inner world. Allow your body to relax more and more, deeper and deeper. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows, relax your wrists and every finger on your hands. At some point, allow your chest to relax. Your breathing might get deeper and slower. Relax your abdominal muscles. Allow the wave of relaxation travel down to your belly. Relax your legs, relax your knees, relax your ankles, relax your feet. Start relaxing your back muscles, your lower back, your middle back, your upper back. Allow all muscles along your spine to relax. Relax your neck, the back of your head, your temples. Relax your forehead, eyebrows. Relax your cheeks. Relax your jaw. Relax your eyes. I will count down from 10 to 1. Each time I say a number, I want you to sink deeper and deeper into a relaxed state. You will remain awake. You will not go to sleep. Just follow my voice. 10, 9, 8, 7. You are relaxing more and more. 6, 5, 4. There is a beautiful feeling moving into every cell of your body. 3, 2, and 1. Now you are totally relaxed. Totally relaxed. Now imagine yourself standing outside in front of the house full of abundance and love. It can be any image that you've seen in your real life or an imaginary image. Give yourself time for the image to appear. With each breath, allow the image to reveal itself more and more to you. This is your house of abundance and love. Yours and only yours. Now you can see and even explore it. Notice how this house looks. How big is it? How tall is it? Where is it located? What color is it? Look around. What season of the year is it? What time of the day is it? What is the temperature? Is it cold, warm, or windy? Look where the house is located. Is it a large property? Do you like its yard? If anything in the picture does not satisfy you, remember, this is your practice and you are the creator of this visualization. You can add colorful flowers, benches, huge white trees, or a green lawn around the house. I will give you a few seconds in silence to imagine any changes that you want. Adjust the image to your liking. Now look at your own appearance. What are you wearing? What type of shoes do you have? How old are you here? Can you describe your mood? Notice your own feelings and emotions that you have right now. Now reach inside your pocket and find the key for the front door. It is time to enter your house of abundance and love. Open the door, put the key back inside your pocket and go inside. Remember, this is your house and everything inside belongs to you and you only. Go and explore your own house. While walking around the house, you can modify it as much as you want it. You can upgrade the furniture and appliances, add a painting, a fireplace, or a rug. You can change the color of the walls. This is your house and you are the creator. While walking around the house, you can touch its walls. You can sit or lay down on the couch. You can open or close the windows. I will give you some time in silence to explore the house and to make any changes that you wish. Notice how you feel right after spending some time in your house full of abundance and love. Connect to your body and remember those feelings. With each breath, these feelings is filling out every cell of your body. Take a deep breath in and out. Now repeat after me. This is my house of abundance and love. It belongs to me and me only. Now I know that this house exists, and I have the key to it. I am accepting my birthright to have abundance and love in my life. I will share it with other people around me. Take a deep breath and connect to your body. Remember those feelings. Take another deep breath and connect to your body even deeper. Put your hand inside your pocket and find the key for the front door. Hold it tight. Feel it inside of your palm. Take the third deep breath and say yes. I accept abundance and love in my life fully. Now it's time to come back to your room. Mentally, say thank you to yourself for this wonderful, magical journey, and give yourself a promise that you come back tomorrow. I will count from 1 to 10. Each time I count a number, you will feel this new energy within you, coming more and more alive. At the same time, you become calmer and more secure. On the count of 10, you're going to open your eyes and going to feel this new energy within you. You will see and accept the abundance and love in your real life. You will fully enjoy it and share it with people around you. You're coming up from 1, 2, 3. You're feeling new energy flow into every cell of your being. It's yours. It's not a dream. You're up to 4, to 5, to 6. You feel more and more alive, at the same time calmer and more secure. You're up to 7, to 8. Connect to your breathing, connect to your body. You're so alive and relaxed and aware of what is happening within you. On the count of 10, you will open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. You're going to be aware of the abundance and love around you. You're going to see it in your real life. You are at 9 and 10. Open your eyes. You are back in your room. Take a deep breath in and fully accept the new energy that you feel right here, right now.